Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking chicken stir fry with bell pepper. This is a delicious dish that suits people at all ages. It is great to team up with rice and noodles. My family and I love it very much, and I would like to share this recipe with you today. Okay, let's get started now. 300 gram chicken breast. Cut the chicken breast diagonally so each piece will be thinner and bigger. Marinate the chicken with 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cooking wine, half teaspoon garlic powder, some white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix all the seasonings well with the chicken. And then put quarter teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon sesame oil to the chicken meat, and then mix them well again with the chicken. Finally, put 1 tablespoon oil and mix it well again with the chicken, and then set aside. 4 cloves of garlic, slice it. 3 to 4 stalks of green onion. From the stem portion, cut the 2/3 of the green onion together, and then cut the remaining 1/3 separately. The remaining 1/3 is for garnishing after cooking. This is the 2/3. Put it together with the garlic slices, and leave the 1/3 of the green onion separately. 1 small red onion or half a big onion, cut it to small cubes, and then separate the layers. Finally, we need some bell pepper, or some country call it capsicum. This one is very big, therefore I use half of it. If you are using a small to medium sized bell pepper, you can use a whole one. Cut it to bite size. Now we start cooking. Put 2 tablespoons oil to the pan and heat up the oil. Put the chicken in and pan fry until it is cooked. I want to make sure the chicken meat is fully cooked, therefore I put in 20 ml water, and also it's a time to darken the chicken meat, so put in 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Give everything a few stirs. And then put the lid on and let it cook for 1 minute. 1 minute later, open the lid, give the chicken a few good toasts, and then transfer it to a plate. Wash the pan and then put it back to the stove. Put 1 tablespoon oil to the pan and heat up the oil. Put the green onion, garlic, and the red onion in. Saute until the fragrance is slightly released. And then put the bell pepper in. Give it a few toasts, and then put quarter teaspoon salt in. Saute everything for about 1 minute. And then put the chicken in. Give everything a few good toasts. And then put some cornstarch water in. This cornstarch water is made up with 1 teaspoon cornstarch and 20 ml water. Mix it well and then pour into the pan. Toast until the cornstarch is thickened. And then do a final tasting. Add more salt if needed. Remember to give it a few stirs after adding the salt. And then this delicious chicken stir fry is done. Finally, garnish with the spring onion. This chicken and bell pepper stir fry is easy to cook. It is scrumptious and flavorful. Chicken is juicy, tender, and perfectly marinated. Bell peppers are crisp and coated with delicious savory sauce. I hope you will give this recipe a try, and if you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!